Dolly Parton won't be working 9 to 5 or any other times in Las Vegas this summer. The singer canceled her residency over health concerns, saying her immune and digestive systems are out of whack. The Queen of Nashville said medical treatments are making her too dizzy to perform. The cancellation comes months after Parton postponed the 6 concert dates originally scheduled for last December to September. Parton insists she is healing and seemed to promise some type of performances in the future by saying, "See you soon."